Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets all finished up lower last week, and they're mixed so far this morning. You've got corn and wheat lower while beans are higher on the day. We did get some corn sales announced this morning. I believe it was 130,000 metric tons going to Mexico for 2014-2015 delivery today. So continuing to see some demand there. We do have the WASDE report out today, so we're going to go over the estimates there real quick. All right, so we're going to go over yield, production, and then 2014-2015 ending stocks. The black is what the trade estimate is for today. The blue is what we got from the USDA in October. So corn yield expected to come in 175.2 bushels per acre. That's a bushel per acre increase from what the USDA came out with in October. Beans are expected to come in at 47.6 bushels per acre, and that's a half a bushel increase from what we got from the USDA in October. Corn production expected to come in slightly higher than the October estimate at 14.551 billion bushels. That's versus what we got in October of 14.475. And then beans are expected to come in at 3.976 billion bushels, and that's versus 3.927 in October from the USDA. And then ending stocks for corn are expected to come in at 2.135 billion bushels. That's versus 2.081 billion bushels in October. Bean ending stocks are expected to come in at 442 million bushels. That's versus 450 in October, so slightly lower estimate for ending stocks in soybeans. And then wheat ending stocks are expected to come in at 660 million bushels versus 654 in October. So there's definitely much more information than that we're going to get on the report. The Wilkins Ag Wire email will have a table for you going over some additional information, then also be on grainanalyst.com. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, we'll see you later this morning, or later this afternoon, excuse me, to go over the what we actually got for the report. We'll fill in the whiteboard with what the USDA came out with, compare them to the trade estimates, and let you know how the markets reacted post-report. So have a great morning, and we'll see you later this afternoon.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.